An action verb is a word that describes something that can be done. Some examples of action verbs are jump, run, write, and sing. Not all action verbs describe something that can be seen. For example, the action verb think describes something you can do, but nobody can see you think. In a sentence, action verbs typically tell you what the subject of the sentence is doing. This sentence is about a bear. To find the action verb, you simply ask yourself, what is this bear doing? The word in the sentence that tells what the bear is doing is climbed. So climbed is an action verb. Now, let's look at a sentence that contains an action verb that you cannot see happening. The subject of this sentence is children. To find the action verb, you can ask yourself, what are the children doing? Even though you cannot see children believe in unicorns, the word believe is the action that is taking place, so believe is an action verb. Some other examples of action verbs that you cannot see are love, need, own, and want. Remember, an action verb describes something that can be done. To find an action verb in a sentence, look at the subject and ask yourself what the subject is doing.